so this will be exciting. We've got a few birds roosted right beside us. I can't believe they aren't gobbling at that goose, but anyway, we set up close to the roost, got the decoys out about 15 yards, just waiting for the sun to rise. We probably got 45 minutes before we start being able to see out in front of us, so got in quiet, got set up, and hopefully here in the next hour we got a bird down. See what happens. Shoot that Jake if you want. Whatever you think. I just don't know if those toms are going to come in. That makes me nervous. Why don't you draw right now and take him if you want? Because he's going to leave. Damn it. Take your time. Take your time. Relax your hand. Just squeeze. Hold on. Let him stop. Don't let the other in, okay? Whenever. Perfect shot. Good shot, Todd. Too low? No, that's a good shot. Yeah, that's where I was aiming. Nice shot, Todd. That was awesome. Yeah, glad you got one. Yeah, right there beside you. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, he might not have all of his feathers. Cut the feather there. Well, yeah, there's blood right here, Todd. He went this path over. There he is. Yeah, he didn't go anywhere. Heck yeah, that's perfect. That's right where you want to hit him. Beautiful shot. Huh. Good work. Good deal. Alright, let's go take a few pictures.